Hi friends and my students, welcome to my channel Studies in English Literature and Language, and today I shall begin a new chapter, namely rhetoric, and in my introductory session I shall talk about simile and metaphor. Now at the beginning of my session I shall focus on what is rhetoric. Rhetoric is the art of public speaking. It adds grace and beauty to one's composition and speech. It helps one impressing his or her audience. Actually, one can persuade his or her audience into his thoughts if he uses rhetorical ornaments in his speech. Now, what are figures of speech? Figures of speech are the rhetorical ornaments where simple and plain speeches are clothed figuratively. Suppose you are going to say that camel is the part and parcel of communication in a desert. If you say this fact in this plain way, you will not be able to impress others. But if you express this matter as the following manner, how you will express? You may say that the camel is the sheep of the desert. And when you express this fact that camel is the essential medium of communication in desert in the figurative way as the camel is the sheep of the desert, you will be able to impress your audience more and more, and your manner of speaking will also be graceful. And now as far as the figures of speech are concerned, figures of speech are divided into 7 categories, and one of that category is figures based on similarity, and in that category there are 2 principal figures of speech, namely simile and metaphor. At first I shall discuss with you about simile. What is simile? Simile is a figures of speech based on similarity or likeness. And what happens in simile? An explicit comparison is made between 2 utterly unlike objects or ideas. So main point is that here an explicit comparison. What is the meaning of the word explicit? Explicit refers to clear or distinct comparison. And how this comparison is made explicit? The comparison is made explicit by certain markers like as, that, like, etc. And now I am giving you an example. By that example you will fully comprehend what is simile. The example is red as the rose is sea. It is a case of simile. Here you will find is a comparison between rose and sea. The comparison is an explicit comparison, and that comparison has become explicit by the word as. Now what is the point of likeness between rose and sea? Where the similarity lies between these 2 elements? The point of similarity lies regarding redness. Sea is as red as rose. Coming to metaphor, we can say that metaphor is an implicit comparison between 2 utterly unlike objects or ideas. So here is also a comparison, but the comparison is not distinct, it is implied comparison. As for example, you may find that the sentence variety is the spice of life is a case of metaphor. Here is an implicit comparison between variety and spice. Spice makes food enjoyable. Similarly, variety also makes life enjoyable. For this reason, variety is called the spice of life. So, in this way, here is a kind of comparison between variety and spice. But that comparison has not made clear or explicit by the use of the markers as, like, that, etc. It is implied. Now, coming to the comparison between simile and metaphor, we may find that they are based on the similarity. They are figures based on similarity, but there are certain differences between simile and metaphor. In metaphor, the comparison is implied or implicit comparison. On the other hand, in simile, the comparison is an explicit comparison. In simile, the comparison is made explicit or distinct by some words like as, like, that, and others. On the other hand, there is not found any word or marker in metaphor that makes the comparison explicit. Actually, simile is an expanded metaphor. On the other hand, metaphor is a compressed simile. So, students and my friends, I have been trying to make the two figures of speech, that means simile and metaphor, quite comprehensible to you. If I am able to make them comprehensible to you, kindly subscribe to my channel and give like to my video. Thank you. Thanks a lot for listening to my video lecture for so long a time. Thank you.